Yes! So here me and Donovan are doing music theory in guitar class. Now you may think that the third fret is a mistake. You can't even see it.
Can you focus it?
No. Okay. So that, see, 5th and then 3rd, 5RD. What the heck? Well, it turns out you just have to be a genius to understand that. It's a number, you guys. Come on, the 3rd fret. Find the 3rd fret, Donovan. No, that's the 5th fret. That's not the 3rd fret.
I just took a shit.
Oh, nice.
Isn't?
Yes. So here I am at David Gomez's house.
Yep.
Now I'm a special guest.
World. Yeah.
Yeah. Special guest, me. Okay. Dude, that's a bunch of. They're following us.
That would be actually creepy if they were.
I know. Me and David found Mr. Dinus's ID on the ground.
Should he give it back to him?
I don't know.
Keep it until you get him.
Really? Okay.
How awkward that would be if you just like bro like, hey, I found your ID. I wonder if you want it back. It's kind of old and outdated, but I figured you like it.
Alright, so it's pretty late now. I just watched The Castaway for the first time and that was a good movie. And now I'm just gonna hit the hay because I have a throbbing headache. Thanks you guys for watching. Remember to subscribe and tell your friends.